ta kispa ngut ki paiba na is Jaintia KYNTHUP ya kiseng Dewiong bat ki WAHEH SHNONG ki Mih Paidbah HAKA BALANG JYLIAH ban PYRSHAH ya ka JINGIOH RUNG ki TROK ki Dewiong na ASSAM SHAKATEI ki THAIN ki babun paiba ki loong bala dadai bak sarkar ka perkhat kala de ban ailat yu Dewiong ba arlak ton bala dan lupa HAKA THAIN ban hun pois ki kharkhana du bilan HAKA jaka ban thien nadu ASSAM koipat ki loong bala dawra nadu ASSAM ka donru ka jingma Namar omla ban tip yo kinongnya ni kinong but TROK ki don yo coronavirus HAKA ni ka singi na kaliang USP ka is Jaintia mardor la hiar bin jai bat ban pan por tau singi ban pe ya ka kam.
Suppose you are in quarantine for around 30 days, 1 month. Who will look after your families, will your children? God forbid, if any of us test positive, we are in for a big trouble. Our district may be classified as a red zone, and then restrictions will be much more. आप लोग देख रहे हैं what is happening in Guwahati, what is happening in our neighboring Kachar district, Shillong, what happened last month. All of you are witness to it. Nowadays, all of you know everything. So my humble request is, coal, see, this is not an issue that if 1 month nothing is allowed, coal will just finish or something will happen, right? Coal stocks are already there, it's on record, not only 2 lakh ton, almost 15-16 lakh ton from the district. So let us look at that. Let us look at that. This is not the time to gather around in a crowd of 200, 300 and protest. We agree, it's a democracy, you have rights to protest, to raise your demands to the government. Understood. We will also cooperate with you. But my humble request is, this is not the right. This is not. Please at least wait for this lockdown to be over. At least this pandemic, let us fight this. We cannot open another front. Either we fight the disease or we spend our time managing protests, managing agitations. What will happen? All the forces in Ratachera and Soshri, all of you know. Suppose this protest goes on, I'll have to withdraw forces from there because I have to maintain law and order. This is my primary job. Suppose Ratachera, one person COVID-19 positive comes in. You have seen people traveling in trucks, hiding in trucks, inside tarpaulins, drums. They are hiding in fuel tankers also. So all those attempts are going on. We have to be alert 24 hours. Team of magistrates, police officers, all my staff here, team of doctors, they are 24/7 on the job. Ratachera, Sosri, have you seen? 24 hours. Police is there. Checking passes, checking vehicles. Sometimes we send them back, no, you are not authorized. So let us do that because the need of the hour is I have to fight this COVID-19. And as far as coal is concerned, you all know this is ongoing for last 5-6 years now. Okay, sometimes some relief is there, sometimes it stops. So this is whole legal issue involved there. Even if government is willing to auction, the process, the due process of law, which is to be followed.
Kasar gin singa thok ipai ba hanre singa bahaban Jaintia kane kade ka kam kaya pe injong ni singa bahaban Jaintia ban bor ya sarkar bakan ben ya kane ka jingwan yu Dewiong na ba.
Last 2 months we are fighting this corona. All of you have done lot of hard work. All of you have given so much of cooperation to both of us. We can't express our gratitude in words. This battle we have to win together. Okay. Government has been trusting you guys so much that even they have empowered RUNG SHNONGs under the recent amendment in this COVID-19 regulations. All of you have been given statutory legal powers to isolate someone if he is like symptomatic or something. We have village committees, every village we have COVID-19 committees. All of you are members, headmen, secretaries, church elders, other residents. VDPs are working day, night, 24 hours. We are fighting a battle right now. As far as coal issue is concerned, this is an ongoing issue. Sometimes it's allowed, again it stops. It all depends on court's orders. Supreme Court, NGT is there. NGT has already cleared that 2 lakh metric ton coal can be auctioned on a pilot basis. If you remember, this decision came in the month of March. around 11th or 12th March. And the lockdown, first Janta curfew, you remember, it was imposed on 22nd March. So government practically got only 9 days to work to facilitate the auction. After that, whole of our energy is concentrated on fighting Corona, COVID-19. So this is not the time to do blame game or anything. This is time to think over it and take some wise decisions. For last 2 months, our Honorable Chief Ministers, other ministers, Home Ministers, Chief Secretary Sir, DGP Sir, DC Sir, me personally, DMHO, all of you, so many meetings we have had together. So right now we are going through a pandemic. You see around 200, 300 people assembled here. Suppose tomorrow one of them tests positive. What will happen to all of us? All of us will become high-risk contact. And I'll have to put all of you, including myself, in 28 days quarantine.
Respect you all as a government, but just stop the call, that's all we want.
We will convey it in writing today itself, okay? And the competent authority will take a decision. As of now, Majas, Maham, Aplog, you are like our guardians, right? I'm too young to lecture you on anything. You all are like our guardians. There is a due process of law which takes time. So I'm just requesting you, give us time to work out the modalities. Till that time, please stay in your homes and help us. That's the only request.
And now is the time actually to get things clear from your head. Fear.
Yeah.
You should not fear of this. No, and when you do the protocol thing, that fear of COVID should not be there anymore. No. If we do our thing, protocol. No.
We have
We
always
have to get
cooperated.
out of that scenario that
We are
afraid
agreed
of.
to cooperate if the
Yeah,
state
I
government
know.
put a stop to this.
We always
to
cooperate
from
with
the
you.
Assam.
You have always cooperated with us. So let us take this healthy relationship forward. Let us not create a situation in which all of us are vulnerable. See, so many persons